greet me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly. It's good to touch the green grass of home. The old house is standing, though the bean is flat and dry, and there's the old tree that I used to play on. Down the drain and walk with the sights berry, air cool and laughs like cherries. It's good to touch the green grass of home.
Baka may voice lang yan. Pakay ba talaga?
Ang lyrics lang ba? Hindi yung lyrics. Uwi na sa greenhouse.
Napaka-intindi ko naman nalilikol lang niya.
Kung sa patayan.
Di ba yung buhay siya, supposedly, country boy went home, tapos Mary was the girlfriend?
So namatay pa talaga siya. May patay pa niya na ito.
Ano na ba yun?
Sabi niya namatay.
Is that what it is?
Kaya nga green grass. Kasi yung touch.
Green grass.
Yes,
They all come to see in the shade of